So this is my coolant from last night. And that's my coolant from a couple hours ago. Just got home. So I parked in a different spot just to show you that. Anyway, going inside. See you in a couple days. I was parked there last night, and that puddle is antifreeze. I'm not terribly happy about it. Yeah, there's a rad leak in the Audi. 200,000 kilometers, original rad. I guess it's doing okay. I've already taken the car in, got it checked out. Was able to get a rad from a local supplier, or at least order one. They didn't have it in stock. It's coming from Calgary. It'll be here in a couple of days. And way cheaper than going directly to Audi, of course. Nothing against my local Audi dealership. They've treated me very well every time I've been there. But pricing. Let's face it, dealership pricing is... It's... What's the best word? Criminal? No. It's expensive though, plain and simple. I get it, overhead, etc., etc. But at the same time, I'm not feeling necessarily compelled to go to the dealership with a car over 200,000 kilometers. Sure, there's some stuff you have to. You just can't get it in the aftermarket. I had actually checked FCP Euro out of the US, and they had one for $190 US. But by the time you factor in shipping, conversion, etc., etc., I'm getting it for about the same price locally, and I don't have to go down to the States to pick it up. It's a 6-hour job, according to the book time, to replace the rad in this car. I don't like that, but I bought the car. I choose to love this car, and I'm sure as hell not going to get rid of it over a radiator. Anyway, off to pick up the girlfriend's son from school, and we will pick this up when the rad is getting done. Talk to you then. Okay, to be honest, I don't even know if you can see me. It's just about 7 o'clock Tuesday morning. We last met on Thursday when I showed you the leaks. Got the rad ordered. We're off to the rad shop now. Well, it's not the rad shop, it's my uncle's workplace, Advance Auto. It is most of the way across town. I barely slept last night. Had a lot on my mind regarding friends of mine. So we are definitely stopping for caffeine. Oh yeah. Caffeine. We made it to Advance. Not that that was any kind of an issue. So we'll head in. I don't know when they're bringing the car in exactly, but we'll catch up in a few minutes.
Discharge the AC.
You winning?
Sure. Or something anyway.
Yeah. That's a hell of a big rad, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Buried in behind there.
You're really getting into your work, huh? See that? You're not even 3 hours in, you're putting it back together already.
Yeah, I put it back together.
It has eyes again. That's a start. I'd prefer it.
How's the puzzle? Not as bad as you thought?
Well, it's not so bad since I've done a couple of these. I didn't want to say anything.
Well, there's a problem. New rad's in, everything was going well, and it's leaking from the lower spigot. So we'll see what happens. It looks like it's probably a problem with the new rad since it wasn't leaking from there before. And I know Andrew didn't do anything wrong. So might have to leave the car here for a few days, but we'll see what happens when they figure it out.
I want to offend you.
I'm not looking to offend, I'm looking to make you laugh. It's not the worst thing it could smell like.
I like your cookbook.
So, Doctor, the operation went well?
A few complications.
Well, a lot of money later. Rad's all done. Seems the repair went well. Book time on that was 6 hours. They were done in about 4.5. And that includes a couple of hiccups. So, good job, Andrew. Thank you very much. Folks, make sure you check out my sponsors in the links below, Phantom Spa and MomdifyMe. Phantom Spa for all your local in Winnipeg detailing needs. MomdifyMe, of course, for any kind of decaling, wrapping, vehicle modification, visual vehicle modification, I should clarify. We don't do mechanical stuff there. But they're in the links below. Check them out, and we'll catch you next video. Have a good day.